Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. I am Surajwan, your instructor. Today we'll discuss about Active Directory. So, what is an Active Directory? The Windows Active Directory is a central networking place where authentication authorization services execute among objects. With Active Directory, a system administrator can assign policies, deploy softwares to an organization. Active Directory stores object data in its database, which is located at system root entities folder. So some of the Active Directory objects are user object, group object, printer object, devices objects, computers objects, and many more. So these objects are stored in Active Directory in a hierarchical fashion. In an Active Directory structural level, you can find two types of objects. One is container and another is non-container. In most of the cases, the containers will be referred to as its other name, organizational unit, in short OU. Non-container are also called as leaf nodes. Sometimes leaf nodes doesn't contain any objects. In an Active Directory, each object have a global unique identifier, in short GUID assigned to them. So each object can be uniquely located and identifiable. An object GUID will not be deleted until object deleted itself from the Active Directory. To remember specific objects in an Active Directory, each object also distinct with a distinguished name which can be identified easily. Related distinguished name, insert RDN, used to reference an object within its parent container in the directory. Here in this example for ctc.com, the distinguished name can be defined as domain component ctc and domain component com, and a related distinguished name for user in the container inside ctc.com domain can be defined as command name user, domain component ctc, and domain component com. The attributes like command name, domain component, those leads are abbreviated from RFC 2253. So distinguished name and relative distinguished name, those rules are defined in the Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, in short LDAP protocol standard. So now I'll move into my Windows Server 2016 and I will show you how to install Active Directory domain services on your server. So here in this my Windows Server 2016, you can see Windows Server 2016. I'm going to install Active Directory domain services. To do so, first of all you need to open your server manager, go to manage and navigate to add roles and feature and click herein. And here in this add roles and feature user, you click next, install type, select this role based or feature based installation, click next. In the select destination server, select the selected server from the server pool. Here in the server pool, my DC02 server is identified here and it is selected automatically herein. So I'll click next. So here in the server roles, first of all you need to select this DNS server, because without DNS server there is no Active Directory. So be remember it, okay? And select the Active Directory domain services. Okay, add features. Now, before I proceed with this installation of this Active Directory domain services, so first of all I need to make sure this server is already assigned with a static IP address or not. Okay. To make sure whether it is already been installed or not, so go to this network list, open network and sharing center, click on this adapter setting, double click here, select properties, select this IPv4. Okay. So here you can see I have set a static IP address herein. So why this static IP address is necessary? The static IP address is necessary for DNS server installation. Without a static IP address, DNS server won't be configured properly. Okay. So make sure you have set a static IP address on your home lab. Now click OK. Okay, close it and close it here. Now we'll go ahead and click next. Ignore these pictures, all those things. Click next, and click next. So here, restart the destination server if required. You can take it. There is no harm in it. Okay. So click yes and start installation procedure. So during this installation, I just want to tell you something. Those roles and feature installation procedure time, it is fully dependent upon how you set your VirtualBox RAM memory and how much core you have assigned to this server. So the much more RAM and core processor number you have assigned to this VirtualBox, your process will be fast. Okay. Now here you can see the installation procedure is completed herein. In my next video, I'll discuss about what is a domain and also I'll show you how to promote this server to a domain controller. So up to then, goodbye and thank you.